In a surprising twist of creativity, Japanese tuning company Aero Over has transformed the Toyota Crown Sport, a crossover not available in North America, into a striking homage to the Ferrari Purosangue. This bold customization, unveiled at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, highlights the design parallels between the two vehicles, even though they hail from entirely different worlds. The Toyota Crown Sport, known for its unique hammerhead design language, a hallmark of Toyota's modern lineup, has now been given a Ferrari-inspired makeover that turns heads. This remixed version was strategically parked next to an actual Ferrari Purosangue at the Tokyo Auto Salon, inviting visitors to compare the two and spot the imposter. The results are both cheeky and impressive, blending the best of both brands into a singular, eye-catching vehicle. Aero Over's modifications start with a sharper front splitter and a redesigned rear diffuser made from fiber-reinforced plastic, enhancing the Crown Sport's aggressive aesthetic. The addition of a quad exhaust setup mimics the powerful V12-powered Purosangue's rear-end styling, channeling its sporty, high-performance vibe. Completing the exterior overhaul, a new set of diamond-cut wheels paired with yellow brake calipers add an extra touch of luxury, complementing the factory-installed glossy black cladding around the wheel arches. In a nod to Ferrari's iconic styling, Aero Over added a yellow emblem to the hood and matching shields to the front fenders, subtly echoing the legendary Italian brand's signature badges. The custom P639E and Aero Over lettering on the tailgate are styled in Ferrari's unmistakable font, adding an extra layer of detail to the transformation. Interestingly, the Toyota Crown Sport technically made its debut before the Ferrari Purosangue. Toyota unveiled a near-production prototype of the Crown Sport in July 2022, while Ferrari didn't officially roll out its first high-riding model until September of the same year. Although leaked photos of the Purosangue surfaced as early as January 2022, this trivia adds an amusing twist to the narrative. Aero Over's custom parts are now available for sale in Japan, offering a cost-effective way for Toyota Crown Sport owners to add Ferrari flair to their vehicles. The front splitter and rear diffuser are priced at 250,000 yen, around $1,600, while the custom exhaust muffler setup costs the same. For those who want to go all in, the Ferrari-style emblems are a bargain at 8,500 yen for the hood and fenders, and the tailgate stickers are just 2,000 yen. However, buyers should note that these prices do not include tax, painting, or installation fees. The base Toyota Crown Sport starts at 5,900,000 yen, approximately $37,500, in Japan, which is a fraction of the cost of a Ferrari Purosangue, priced north of $500,000. Even with Aero Over's full suite of modifications, the total cost remains significantly lower than that of a full set of Purosangue tires and rims, making this an appealing option for those who want the Ferrari look without the hefty price tag.